Week 5. Here we're going to talk about the relationship between the inhalation and the exhalation. Now, a lot of us, when we think of our breathing, we kind of look at it as a motion, in and out, but it would be good to know that they actually have a relationship too, which means the way I inhale can impact the way I exhale, and the way I exhale can impact the way I inhale. How is this so? When I take a larger inhale, I tend to be more wired up. If you think of the times where you were tired or you needed some instant energy, did you find yourself taking a larger inhale or a longer exhale? Chances are you were probably taking a larger inhale. Similarly, even if you talk about yawning, what is the act of yawning really? When you're tired or you're feeling drowsy, you're taking in more air to be able to get back to alertness. So, whenever I am trying to invigorate myself, I will tend to spend more time taking larger inhales than longer exhales. Now, the inverse is true as well. If I am looking to relax, if I am looking to go to sleep, if I am looking to manage a very stressful situation, then I most likely am going to take longer exhales. Even the motion of taking a sharp inhale and then a longer exhale just seems more relaxing, okay? So keeping that in mind, you are now able to notice, am I taking longer inhales? Am I taking longer exhales? What am I doing at what point in time? And the importance of doing this is recognizing that you can actually change the relationship, which means that if I am feeling tired, then it's easy for me to just take a couple of large inhales to get away from that tiredness. Or if I am feeling very wired and I want to calm myself down, then I automatically know I need to take longer exhales. So knowing this relationship between an inhale and an exhale can really help to serve us in the situation we're in. What about the case in which I don't lengthen either of them? Both my inhale and my exhale are about equal counts. This is actually where you can be in an exercise and be aware of your breath, and you can actually count in 4 counts or 5 counts and count out 4 counts or 5 counts, and you end up being in a very calm state. So when you're first starting out, you can actually just count 4 counts in and then go to 4 counts out and repeat that over and over for about a minute or 2 minutes. And you will notice that at the end of a minute or 2 minutes, you will feel a lot calmer. So going back to Christine's question that she asked last week, this will be a very good place for us to get back to her and ask her if when she was able to do the synchronous breathing, if she noticed any difference in the amount of stress she was carrying.